Hey guys, I just want to show you the difference between getting GCF and LCM a monomial, okay? So for example, I'm going to take 15x squared y to the third z, all right? And 60x y to the second, and I want to know what is the GCF of these two monomial and what is the LCM. I need to start with doing prime factorization. So I'm going to go ahead. This is going to be 3 and 5. They're both prime. So I write my 15x squared y to the third z as 3 times 5 times the x squared times the y to the third times the z. Okay? Here, let me just push it a little bit so I can do it. 60xy squared. It's going to be, let's say, 6 and 10. This is 2 and 3, and this is 2 and 5. So 60xy to the second is equal to 2 squared, because 2 and 2, times 3 times 5 times the x times the y squared. So if I am going to do GCF, with GCF, what do? I take what's in common. I have 3 in common, 5 in common, x in common, and y in common. 3 and 3, so they have the same exponent, so I'm going to take just 3. 5 and 5, same exponent, I take 5. X squared and x, with GCF, I always take the lowest exponent, so the x. And y to the third, y to the second, I'm taking the one with the lower exponent, so it's y to the second. So my GCF is 15xy squared. However, if I want to do the LCM, okay, what do I do with the LCM? I will show you. So basically what I would do is I will take whatever is in common between the two prime factorization. Okay, so I have 3 and 3, 5 and 5, x and x, and y. But here with the common ones, I'm going to take the one with the higher exponent. 3 and 3, no higher exponent, I take 3. 5 and 5, no higher exponent, same exponents, I take 5. X squared and x, I gotta take the x squared. Y to the third and y to the second, I gotta take the y to the third. And then do you see this 2 squared that I didn't use, and that z that I didn't use, okay, also will be a part of the LCM. So basically, times 2 squared times the z. So my LCM would be 3 times 5 times x squared times y to the third times 4 times z. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 4 is 60. X squared y to the third z, and that would be my LCM.